Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this keyboard stand with wrist rest. So this is a nice little way to add some comfort to your workstation. Also have a little bit of more ergonomic support for your hands. Well, a lot of people spend a lot of time at their keyboard, especially nowadays. So I have some instructions here. It's a nice white color here. I believe this comes in either a white or a black color. So this features a little silicone thing there. Nice cushion padding here. So instead of just resting my hands here on this, and if you ever put your hands on a desk for a lot of time and just typing stuff, you know it can get kind of uncomfortable on your wrist. So it's nice to have some nice padding like that. This has some holes in it for some circulation there as well, so it's not going to get all sticky or whatever. Okay, this also features a nice little tray here that goes under this. This is perfect size for your little Mac keyboard, your AirPods, your little Mac and or Apple AirPods as well. And then it comes with this clear case, or your actual holder for your keyboard right here. So this goes right over the top of that. So if you are having, like, perhaps you have a PC as well as a Mac, you can, and you want to use your PCs, just switch over. That fits right on there like that, so we can type here, grab my keyboard, just set it up right on there. It's at a perfect angle that feels like really nice, so it's like ergonomic. It's not my wrist bent unnaturally or whatever. So that is pretty cool. If I don't want this tray here and I don't have that, I can just put my keyboard there under there at the end of the day, and you can still see it and everything, but that keeps like your cat from walking across it or accidental spills or stuff spilling on your keyboard. So this is super handy, a nice addition to your workstation if you want to add a level of comfort. This can be different heights you can adjust this to. If you want to just regular on the floor or right here on the table, or bump it up here for a little bit higher angle, or you can even turn it around like this and have it here for just depending on what your comfort level is. And this adds a nice layer of support there. So you can type away. It's perfect size for my keyboard here, and it's not slipping down or anything like that. So whatever you're comfortable at, this is a great addition to your desk and your work area. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see y'all next time.